Well guys, today's the day that I go ahead and install the turbo onto the tubular manifold right there. So what we have here for goodies is the Precision 6062. Ricardo, pretty sure you guys know him, full throttle.
Get it like this, yeah. But with the cup of coffee, it's a little hard. Yeah.
What up, Rick? He went ahead and helped me pick out a new turbo for my Neon build. And then I have DiazBuilt tubular manifold. Now look at this, you guys. Is that not beautiful or what? I am so happy to have this. I've done a lot of work to the Neon in the past couple of weeks, and the only thing I'm really missing is the hard pipe and for the hot side and the cold side. So what I got over here is a 4-bolt V-band converter, pretty much. The reason is I had an ATP set up, which I now deleted, and I have downstairs. I actually got to take off one of the pieces down there. That's one of the V-band bottleneck pieces that goes with the conversion. But I'll show you guys sometime in the future what that kit is downstairs in my Skittlefest workshop. But basically I had that for that kit, and now this is going to be bolted up to this just like that. What I'm doing is cleaning with what I had left of the prep saw. I gotta put this on there. That's why I just cleaned that. Gotta put the 4 bolts in, which are these ones right here. We're gonna go ahead and put some red Loctite. Just like that. Just go ahead and look at that rust. Look at that. I'm just gonna go ahead and thread one in. Take this adapter. Just tighten that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the other 4 bolts on. These 4 bolts are nice and tight. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this V-band adapter area and also slap this Bad Larry on top of the gasket right there, and then I'll go ahead and put the hardware on it. Alright, due to the fact that I'm so short, I had to use these things just so I can get above the engine on both the passenger side and the front of the car, because I'm about to take that, slap it on top of that, and then I have my hardware right here. We're going to be using lock-in washers. So when we put enough pressure on these nuts and these washers will clamp down. Well, due to my 6062 being a little big on the compressor side, I had to lower the transmission to be able to get enough wiggle room back here. That way I could mount the turbine to the tubular manifold over here. So I lowered it just enough that, you know, I took out the bolt and it dropped. This lower motor mount I had to also disassemble and put the dog bone over here and pushed away, so I have enough room. That way it slides in a little bit easier, hopefully. Can we just take a look at this now? Alright guys, this is what I did. I cut right underneath this, I don't know, support system, and I notched it out as a triangle, but it was actually this piece that was hitting. So like, I'm debating whether or not I just notch the full thing out or if I just leave it like that, but the bolt's gonna be in, well, it is in right now, and I just had to go ahead and screw it in. But I'm looking at it right now, and you know, it's really close. So, you know, this little piece right here can be pried up, but I'm debating whether or not I want to just cut it right here and here. But debating, do I notch that or not? I don't know. Maybe in the future I will, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. That way I don't have to worry about nicking everything and taking everything apart. I don't know. I might go ahead and take it all apart. I don't know. But that's where it's at, you guys. I'm gonna end this video because I don't want to make it too long. I just wanted to show you guys my turbo installed. I don't have the dump and I don't have the exhaust on yet right now, but I will in a future video. I just wanted to mock this up and see where I'm at, and I know I have to still tighten these things when I get that situated where I want the compressor to be pointed down to. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Smash that like button if you guys liked it. share it, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. And like I always say at the end of my video, you guys be easy and stay tuned. Peace.